Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've got the basics ready, so start the search now. First, make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled, then open the Tile app and sign in. Once done, refresh the device list and select your tile. Tap Find to play a sound immediately while watching the last seen timestamp and map pin to aim your search. Move toward the pin slowly and keep quiet so you can hear the chime. If the tile doesn't ring, proceed to the next set of steps. Once you have a general area, focus on signal behavior and why it matters. The app shows signal strength or distance, so move until the metric improves and you're within Bluetooth range. If the tile last appeared far away, enable Community Find to anonymously enlist other devices to report its location. Walk slowly and sweep rooms in a grid pattern, pause and listen between steps, and check seams, cushions, pockets, bags, and car interiors. These methods systematically eliminate likely locations and explain why gradual searching works. Finalize the recovery by using Lost Mode to leave contact details and enable location updates. This increases the chance of someone reporting or moving your tile. Physically inspect tight spaces, under cushions, inside jackets, bags, and even between car seats while calling the tile. Slow, methodical checks uncover items hidden from plain view. If you still can't find it, try replacing the tile battery or updating firmware in the app. And as a troubleshooting tip, reboot your phone and relaunch the Tile app to clear connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.